So Mullen Automotive is back in the news, but before we look at the article, let's just go right to the weekly chart. And you can see the weekly seller's level at $20 worked once. We had a drop in price, base and candles, and then we had the leg out. Price came back into the zone several times before moving further down, hitting that $8 target. Now kind of scrolling to the daily chart, we can see currently price is respecting this short-term uptrend line. And where is price headed? Well, slowly creeping back up to that level. Question is, are we going to get another sell-off, and at what price level? So I'll give you some clues as to where the unfilled sell orders are after we look at this article. So Mullen Automotive stock finished the day up by about 10%. Today the EV company debuted its 5RS production design at the Consumer Electronics Show that's taking place in Las Vegas currently. The 5RS is essentially a ramped up version of Mullen's unreleased 5EV. At CES, Mullen will also display its 1 and 3 vehicles as well as the Bollinger B1, B2, and B4. Did not realize they had all these different models. From the inception of Mullen, it has been, this is the CEO talking, my mission to bring an ultra high performance EV to the market. The 5RS is intended to be one of the fastest vehicles on the planet, competing with some of the best and most well-known and regarded automotive marquees. Now, sales of the 5RS are set to begin in 2025, according to Mullen's reservation page. After that, the base and the touring models of the 5 are set to go on sale. So the touring will be the premium, the base is base model. However, as noted in a previous article, Mullen has pushed back the production date of the 5 in early 2022. The 5 reservation page stated that the vehicle was set to enter production during the fourth quarter of 2023, with deliveries beginning around Q2 2024. These delays aren't new for Mullen. In October 2020, Mullen have advertised that it was now accepting pre-orders for its MX-05 vehicle. Micheri, that's the CEO, provided a delivery date of around May 2022. Since then, not a single MX-05 has been delivered. Maybe he's taking some notes from Elon, but nevertheless, any fans who wanted the car were disappointed, and the question is, will they be disappointed again when the 5RS comes out in about a year's time? All right, so here's what I'm looking at, and specifically, these rejection wicks signal that the unfilled orders are above the top of the wick, right? So when you see a rejection wick and you see a penetrator zone, there were unfilled orders here that got filled. Now, this pullback that we saw back in December penetrated the zone more than 50%, implying that there are few remaining unfilled orders in this zone here. So depending on if the buyers pick up their momentum, this zone may not hold. However, because it is a weekly zone that has not been breached yet, it's still valid until it's not. And this is the level that I'm looking at. I am looking for price to penetrate the zone deeper. However, the upper portion of the zone is where we still have unfilled orders at. Again, above these two tweezers, which also is aligned with a support level, and that would be at the $22 level. So look for that level to potentially hold and push price back down and retest the all-time lows. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please like the video.